Hi everyone. Yo are welcome to my channel. Do you want to know about the world's largest sapphire in Sri Lanka? The sapphire cluster, which weighs around 510 kilograms or 2.5 million carats, was discovered in the house of a gem trader. Gemologists in Sri Lanka claim that the largest blue star sapphire yet has been discovered in a mine in the country. The gem is valued at least $100 million. Blue star sapphires are so named because of the distinctive mark found at their center. The new gem was mined in the city of Ratnapura, in southern Sri Lanka, which is known as the City of Gems. Serendipity sapphire. The sapphire cluster, which weighs around 510 kilograms or 2.5 million carats, was discovered in the house of a gem trader. Sri Lanka's gem industry, for which sapphire is the main export, is worth at least £70 million, $103 million, annually. The rock has been named the Serendipity sapphire. The world's largest star sapphire cluster has been unearthed by accident in a backyard in Sri Lanka. World largest gem in Sri Lanka. Serendipity sapphire. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get for free important news every day.